Now we're back putting this back together again after grinding the gears down a little bit. Jumped ahead a little bit here. Alright. So only got the 2 gears, one on each side. That's all I got. We're not putting all the gears in. Tight. Shaft's not turning with a shocker. Okay, where did my key go to? Oh, it's probably in the bottom of the case still. Yep. Still down in the hole down there. Rotates. Rotate a little harder, but rotating. Let's try putting the rest of the stuff on here. Now that locked it up. Yeah, that definitely locked it up. In that one spot. There's definitely a high spot in there. So we can rotate it here, so but over here it gets tight. Right there. Real tight in one spot, and it gets real loose. It gets real tight and then real loose real quick, right next to each other. Okay, so I'm going to put this drive gear in here. I'm going to let the motor help me on this. So we know the outer one's the one that's doing it because the inner one was free. As far as we know. Probably should check it. Definitely gets tight one spot still. Okay, so we'll take off the outer gear here. See, we can't do the outer gear. Yeah. Oh yeah, we can. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's right. I remember. I remember. Not getting that late yet. 3 hours goes by quick though when you're having fun, right? Yeah, not quite 3 hours. 2.5 hours so far on this. I got a half-hour video. The off video is more fun, right? I looked for a thicker gasket, and they're all. I have the thickest one in here on this one on there already. I might pick up maybe a half a thou to a thou, but I don't think so. I think it was the same thing when I started. Okay, so we take this off. Like that. And just put the nut back on here like we had it before. Takes this gear out of the picture because there's nothing to bottom out on. This was free spinning before. Oh, the gear fell off. I forget. So I'm holding that gear on there, so gravity. When gravity doesn't go in your direction, it affects it. Yeah, not a problem. See, it spins freely. Okay, so we know the inner one's fine. There's nothing wrong with the inner one. Okay, so the outer one is the one that's dragging, so it's literally half a thou to a thou would be done. So there should be a mark right here on the cover, which we are seeing. So I take 1 thou off that gear, and that should take care of that problem. It's only hitting on this one side also, not over here. It's just right there. I bet you it's only half a thou is all it needs to come off. And the gear is probably uneven. The surface is uneven, it's going around, that's why it gets tight, loose, tight, loose. Okay, so we know that was really, really close. Okay, the inner one, no problem at all on the inner one. Okay, so we got the inner one done on that part, but we haven't put the other inner one in there. I did take down a thou or 2 thou off of this surface. And I tried to smooth it up on this back side again. Let me see what it was over here. I took it down a thou. So let's see if that's enough. Okay. So now I got to take one more thou off that gear to do what we need. So hindsight, if I had the thicker gasket in there, I would have probably wound up with 2 thou clearance. But you don't know that. This way I should wind up with a thou and a half clearance. Doesn't seem like much between thou and a half and 3, but that's quite a bit. But it's a lot more work, obviously, doing it this way. So, oh well. You want to maximize your oil pressure is how you do it. Okay, key is already out of that side. Bolt's out, so it should slide off. The gasket is partially coming, we're alright. It's actually far enough. Where's the other gear at? I just have to slip this gear onto here. The gear not wanting to go in there is not a good sign. Yeah, it won't even slide in the hole. That's bad. That's going to be a problem. Alright, ain't working, ain't working. I think the key came out on the other one. Yeah. Key came out anyway. Yep. Okay, this one seems to be tight on this shaft. Okay, once it's all the way in, it's loose. So don't have to worry about it. It's just tight going over the shaft. Once you get over the outside lip, it's fine. Okay, put the key way back in here. Can't even see the key or barely even feel it. You got to put the groove where it belongs and engage it this way. None of this is all that easy. In. Fill in that way, but not the other way. Okay, put that up there so you can get to it on the other side. Haven't destroyed the gasket yet, but I'm expecting I will by the time I'm done. Okay, so we know it worked like this before. It's going to work this way now, so it matters. Definitely got drag across, but she's freeing up a little bit. I don't think it's an in play, I think it's a tooth problem. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this thing around a little bit and see what happens. Nice and free. Not really feeling any real drag. I definitely can feel the drag when I had the outer gear in there tight. Okay, I think we're all right on that now. Take this gear off. It's not dead free, but it'll wear in. It's a tooth issue, not an in-play issue. So you can see how it rotates pretty good. Okay, so I'm good with that inner gear set. So the inner gear is good now. Now it's an outer gear problem. I think we're 1 thou too thick on the outer gear. On that side, and I'm not sure about this one, how thick this one is. So if one's too thick, the other one might be also. Well, we don't know. Alright, so I'm going to take it apart one more time. Take one more thou off that gear. And then put it back together. If we take 1 thou off, we should wind up with half a thou clearance. Because it's only hitting a little bit. These gaskets are probably settled a little bit somewhat, which will bring it down to 0. But there should be a good supply of oil there to lubricate it. So, like this, it works fine. When you put it in the bike, it's a little different. Okay. And that's the one where you could see the wear marks on the case here where it was wearing before. It might be wearing a little bit more there still, I'm not sure, but if I want, I can take half a thou more off that, but I don't think that's really needed. It's the point it would wear in whenever it is. So I'm not gonna cut any more off of that gear. Now the other gear here, I'm gonna have to cut it. This one here, we're going to thin it up a little bit. Take one more thou off of it. And we'll bolt it back together and see if it works. Okay, I'm going to cut that. I'll be right back.